Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Big shout out to Isa or Isa GC for being the first in the notification family. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to install your braids. I got a lot of questions about this after my video from the beginning of the week about braiding your hair. So today's video is going to be how you install the braid before you begin braiding your hair. So for me, I learned how to do this after years of getting my hair braided. I'm a visual learner, so I just sort of learned from watching my braider do it as a little kid. I don't get my hair done anymore. I usually just do my own hair because majority of the time I do have my own natural hair out. So this is the way that I have learned how to do it. There is more than one way to do this, so it's up to you whether you want to implement my method. So I've just gone through and taken out one of my braids so I can teach you guys and we can go through it together. Again, we're going to be using the infamous ribbons as visual representation on how to do this. So the ribbons are going to be acting as my strands of hair. So as you can see with the strands of hair that I've just done, there is a bigger section and a smaller section. These two sections together I put together. So you put the smaller section over the top of the bigger section. So you put the blue section under the pink section, and then you fold them together or you weave them through one another so that they're interlinked. And your smaller section, when put together, must be the same thickness as one of your bigger sections. So let's begin the installation process. So you're going to take your natural hair and put your hair in between the two bigger sections, so in between the two pink sections. And then you're going to merge your hair with the thinner sections together, so with the blue ribbons. So once you've done that, you're going to grab your outermost pink section or your outermost thick section, and you're going to put that under your other pink section, and you're going to pull the middle pink section to the far right. Then you're going to take your section with your hair or your blue section, and you're going to put that under the middle pink section, and this is already beginning your braiding process. Then you're going to take your blue section again and put that over your pink section. At this point, your installation process is done and you can actually begin braiding. So we're going to go through that again just using the ribbons. So again, you're going to take your ribbons and you're going to put your hair in between the two pink sections. And then you're going to take the farmost pink section on the outside and put that under the other pink section so that that pink section is in the middle. Then you're going to take your blue section with your hair and put that under the pink section in the middle. Then you're going to take your blue section with your hair and put that over your pink section. And at this point, you can begin the braiding process. So this is what it ends up looking like after you've installed the hair. I prefer to install my hair a little bit looser, so like this, so that there's no tension caused. But this is what it ends up looking like. So for those of you who want your hair to be a little bit tighter, what you need to do is that once you put the hair between the sections, so the pink sections or the thicker sections, you want to pull on your actual hair to make sure that your hair is taut. And that's how you create a tighter braid and a tighter installation process. This is a bit hard for me to show because I'm using ribbon, so it's actually slipping, but when you're using actual extensions, it will hold at the root. So once you have that mastered, your braiding process is pretty much done. You can begin installing all of your braids and braiding them out, and they will last you for a good while. So what we're going to do now is that we're going to do it again, but I'm going to mix the hair and the braids so that you can have a full visual representation. So the pink sections are my thicker sections, and the blue section is the thinner section that makes one thick section. So then I'm going to put my hair in between the two pink ribbons, the two thicker sections, and I'm going to take the outermost pink section and put it under the other pink section. Then I'm going to take my blue section and pull that under the pink section in the middle. Then the blue section over the pink section in the outermost region. Then I'm going to continue doing this, swapping hands, going under and over, under and over. And this is pretty much what your braiding process is about. So lastly, we're going to take off the training wheels and we're going to do it without the ribbons. So we're taking the two sections and we're putting them together so that they are interlinked. Then I'm taking the thicker sections and putting my hair in between those thicker sections. Then I'm pulling my actual hair into the thinner sections and holding that taut. Then I'm going to take the outermost thick section and go under the middle thick section. Then I'm going to take the section with my natural hair and I'm going to go under the middle thicker section. Then I'm going to take the section with my natural hair and go over the outermost thicker section on the right. And this is what it looks like once you've installed it and you begin your braiding process. So if my video is still too fast, you're welcome to slow it down even more so you can really understand what's going on, and even get your own ribbons so you can use the color references as guidance until you've picked up the technique. So yeah, this is what it ends up looking like once it's done. I hope you guys have liked this video. Make sure to comment down below your thoughts and like if you like the video. I'll see you guys next week. I love you guys so much. Mwah.